came up with something to help you with making a decision that you're too confused to make about what type of fishes to choose. Well, it mostly depends on what type of a fish keeper you are. If you're a beginner fish keeper, I think the best options are guppies and mollies. These guys are best hardy fishes, the goats for short. But if you're looking for colorful type of fishes, this video is for you. So today I'm going to introduce one of the most top 5 best colorful fishes to keep on your aquarium. So guys, the 5th on the list is the glowfish Danios. So what are glowfish Danios and how do they get the color? They are genetically modified zebra danios that show bright neon-like colors like green and yellow, especially under the blue LED lighting. So the 4th on the list is the angelfish. So the most common aquarium angelfish is the freshwater angelfish, known for its elegant shape and calm, graceful swimming. So the 3rd on the list is neon tetras. So the neon tetra is a small, colorful freshwater fish and is one of the most popular aquarium species. So the 2nd on the list is polar fish. The polar blue parrot, often called polar blue parrot sicilic, is a popular freshwater aquarium known for its bright color and unique rounded body. And the first most colorful fish and hardy fish to put in your aquarium is, you guessed it, guppies. Guppies are one of the most popular freshwater aquarium fish in the world, especially for beginners. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe for me to come with more fish keeping videos. Thank you for watching.